Hi, good day, Joe Ade here. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you 5 different cool apps that can make you money in 2020. These apps are free to download, and I'm going to be taking you from the 5th app in the series to the first app. So with that said, if you're into entrepreneurship or affiliate marketing or earning an income online, please do remember to click the subscribe button, because I'm going to be uploading videos every single day on different ways to earn an income online. And if you're looking for the number one system to make money online, just look in the link below, in the description link below, and you'll be able to sign up and check that out. With that said, let's get right into it. So in 5th place, I am going to be sharing with you an app called SwagBox, and it's available both on the Apple Store and the Android Google Play Store. Sorry. And SwagBox is an app that you can download, and you can get basically paid for doing a variety of tasks. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's got a 4.2 review rate, which is pretty good, and there's a lot of reviews on this app, so you can check that out. It's pretty straightforward to download, and if I just log in to the system, I'll show you the sort of tasks that you can do and earn money. So you can do stuff like just answering questions, taking surveys. Let's see. So what else can you do? Yeah, so you can take surveys. You can let's see. So for this one, you can get free. You can get. Sorry about that. Yeah, you can watch videos. You can play games. There's so many different things that you can do to um, to earn on SwagBox. You can also activate your daily goal, so you can get your daily goal activated as well. And yeah, it's a pretty cool site, and there are different ways to earn from this site. And if you stay to the end, I'll give you a cool strategy where you can even earn a lot more money just by referring others to this site. So that's the number one site. It's called SwagBox. Do check it out. And the 4th app in the list is called Inbox Dollars. I'm in the UK, so in the UK it's normally called Inbox Pounds, but if you're stateside or in Canada, I think it's called Inbox Dollars. Again, this is a very cool app, and you can earn cash and get paid for everyday online activities. It's easy to join, and the cool thing about this app is you also get a $5 bonus if you join this site. Again, it's got a 4.1 review. It's been going on for a long time, this app, and you can check out the reviews if you like. If I just go into the site, as I said, in the UK it's called Inbox Pounds, and again, you can get paid for doing a variety of tasks. You can get gift cards. You can get different things for just carrying out some tasks. You can take surveys as well. As you can see, it's another of these cool sites that you can sign up for, and yeah, you can get gift cards that you can then convert into cash. So that's the fourth site that you can just download the app and start earning from. You can also earn a lot more by referring your friends as well. So, so with that said, let's go on to the third app down the list, and this one is called Field Agent. Field Agent is a slightly different app, and it allows you to make money while you shop with the Field Agent app. They've paid over £12 million to agents, and the beauty about this app is you can actually get paid to try out products that you already like. You can express your opinions on these products. You can also influence how companies develop new services or products and services based on your feedback. The app pays real cash, and they send agents all over the United Kingdom, United States to gather information, take photos, and share their opinions. I like this site a lot, and this one has got a 3.5 review rating, and the app is pretty cool. And yeah, you basically get paid to get out and about, and as you can see, this app is can be used in Morrison's, Asda, Tesco, Boots, Currys, PC World, and the lot. So if I just the back office is straightforward as well, and you can accept jobs. I think they have a push notification that allows you to accept jobs, and you also know the jobs that you've completed. So that's the third app in the list. The second app that I'd like to talk about is an app called Dosh. This app allows you to save money and get cash back when you shop. And exactly what it does is you earn cash rewards when you shop with Dosh and get cash back by shopping on items you already buy. So again, it's another app where you have this win-win. If you're already shopping or you're eating in specific restaurants or booking hotels, you can actually earn cash back on those brands. 5 reasons you will love Dosh to earn cash back. They pay with your credit card and get cash back. You can also earn cash rewards and money back when you shop and dine out. Again, you can also earn cash back when you book a hotel globally. Again, this is a cool app to download and start earning from. And let's face it, we want to earn some cash back. So that's the second app. Again, it's available on the App Store and Google Play Store, and you would need to connect your card to this app, and yeah, you can shop and dine out, get paid for referrals, and you can physically transfer your cash to your bank account. So that's the second app. And the first app that I would like to share with you is an app called TaxRabbit. TaxRabbit, and this is slightly different it's slightly different because on this site you are going to be set up as a tasker, and you help other people that want tasks done, possibly at their home or as errands around town. Some of the popular tasks that you can sign up for are cleaning, mounting frames, furniture assembly, furniture, and moving or things like paperwork as well. It's pretty it's pretty straightforward to sign up to. Um, it's got a very good rating as well, 4.2. As you can see, people are giving good 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 reviews of this particular tasks. It's available all over the world, and because I'm based in the UK, I have a different site. Well, I have a different screen to possibly what you will see if you're based in the States or Canada. So why use TaxRabbit? You can book help in minutes, find the same day help. So even if you're looking to get stuff done, you can always use TaxRabbit as well. Get transparency pricing, and it's a pretty secure system to use. Again, it's available on the App Store, and it's also available on the Google Store. So these are all the apps that you can, the 5 best apps that you can just download and start earning money from. And you also earn a lot more if you refer others. If you download an app and you like it, there's always a referral link that you can use to refer others. So with that said, those are the 5 apps I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Again, please hit the subscribe button, and if you did like this video, please give me a good like. I'll be shooting videos every day, showing you different strategies to make money online. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.